Hi, I'm Marion Brand from Brand Fitness, and I have another Tabata workout for you. So this time, body weight only. Don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe to my channel. And let's get started. So today's Tabatas will be body weight only. We'll be doing 20 seconds of work with 10 seconds of rest. So you're going to work at your own level. So the first exercise will be a squat down. So touch down and lift. So you can do a small one if you're new to fitness, or you can come all the way down, touch down and up. That's an intermediate. And if you're more advanced and want to jump, you can jump. So if you're jumping, make sure you're landing softly. So pick the one that's right for you. The next one will be just a step back like this. So here you can go slow. I'll show from the side, just back and back and back. Or you can do a bit of a hop. So keep it more cardio. So it depends on what you want. Either kick it up or take it a little bit lower depending on the level you're at. So beginners can do this exercise as well as people that are advanced. So have a great workout.
Welcome to Tabata.
Getting ready.
Here we go in 5,
Squats and down.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. Round 1.
Don't forget to pick the right one for you to do this. Good, looking good. Maybe lunging back like this. Or you can just tap back.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 2.
You can go low if you want. It can be more of a plyo. Take your pick. Or just tap back.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Rest. It's going to get your heart rate up. It's going to go up to the ceiling if you're jumping especially.
3, 2, 1,
let's go.
Round 3.
I'm feeling it. Are you feeling it too? Woo.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Rest. Catch your breath. Like 10 seconds goes by really fast.
3, 2, 1, go! Round
4. I feel like rocking out. Yes.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Catch your breath. We're halfway there. Are you still with me?
Halfway.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Round 5.
Still going. You guys are looking awesome.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Yes. Breathe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 6.
Strong. Yes. Oh no.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Okay. Looking good. Whew. Almost there.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come on. Jump higher if you're jumping. Or squat lower if you're squatting. Take your pick. We can do it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Last one.
you feel it? I had a great workout. I hope you did too. Whew. Join me again. Marion from Brand Fitness. I have lots of online programs for you to do, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm out of breath. I can feel this. It was a good workout. So I will see you next time. Thank you so much.